This is our 2018 Porsche Cayman GTS. The absolute pinnacle of mid-engined drivers' cars. This one is a one-owner car. The chap that I bought it from owned it from brand new, ordered it from Porsche himself, and it's in beautiful condition, having travelled only circa 8,000 miles in the time he's had it. He's been a very, very busy, he runs a very, very busy company and has used it very sparingly. It's in lovely condition, the interior's lovely condition. You can tell it's just been used very lightly. It's just one of those cars that's not been driven hard or abused, and that's evident by the condition of the vehicle. And it's got a full Porsche history. When I say full, it's had its first service in 2020 when it's 2 years old. And of course, the next one's not due till 2022. What I love about this car is that magnificent crayon colour, which is superb, and a £2,000 option, but also it's got the best exterior options, which make it look really, really special. So first of all, you've got those turbo wheels, which are the two-tone with the red brake calipers behind them. They look fantastic, 20-inch in diameter. They're 235s at the front and considerably wider at the rear. These are Pirelli tyres. If we look at the rears here, they are 265 35 20s, and they have got a much deeper profile than the fronts. Excuse me. Let's just pop that back on here. So another thing that I really like is he's gone for the gloss black script lettering at the back. You've also got the darkened rear lights, which look great with a whole black styling pack. It's got the sports design kit, which gives you those extended side skirts and the front lip spoiler. And I think the sports design kits make the cars just look that bit more sporty. You've got the gloss black insert there. You've got the darkened front headlights, sport design wing mirrors, and then of course a gloss black finish, the handles and side scoops, and it looks absolutely fantastic. It just is the perfect exterior specification in my opinion. With it being the GTS, it is pretty damn quick, as you can imagine. Beautiful to drive, mid-engine, PDK gearbox. It is a phenomenal car. Sounds great as well. Very, very nice to sit in as well. It's got the Alcantara and leather interior, the GTS embroidery there on the headrest, and then the Alcantara on the headlining. You've got manual adjustment seats with electric backrest, and then you've also got this button here to lift them forward. You can see they've got plenty of storage space above the engine. You've got the Alcantara covered centre armrest here, where you can pop your phone on these USB ports. Lovely Alcantara to the door cards as well, with that satin chrome finish to the handles. Really, really nice. And again, these folding door pockets. You've got, of course, the Porsche cup holders. You've got the book pack in here. It's had one service, and I said that's stamped in the book by Porsche Newcastle. There's some other invoices here and other letters. All the paperwork that came with the car is there. Let's just close the smoker's package. Obviously an essential thing to have because it finishes off the interior. I shall pop open the front and rear so you can have a look in there as well. So pull that. There's your boot. It's a decent size for a sports car, really, because you know you've got room to put bags there and in here. The load space cover is in place where it should be. And then if we go around to the front trunk, nice big deep wide space there for storage as well, which is great. Everything's in place as it should be. Really nice original car this. Nice original paint. Just nice to see a Cayman in this condition that's really been babied by its owner and has not been one that's been used for, you know, track work or anything similar to that. Absolutely love this car, sounds fantastic. We'll start it up right now. Okay, so even the steering wheel, you know, Alcantara steering wheels, always a lot of the cars we get. Just looked at a GT3 in it, and it had 12,000 miles, and it was just all warm where in the 10 and 2 o'clock positions. This one isn't. This one isn't. It's remarkably nice. You've got, of course, the button or the dial there to turn. Let's just start it up. So we've got, apologies, let's just zoom out. So we've got sports exhaust, got the rear spoiler which is currently raised, you've got the Porsche active suspension management, or PASM. You can go to normal, or you can go to sport, as you can see there. Sports exhaust does exactly what it says on the tin. Got heated seats, climate control, got the apps, you've got this lovely, it's even got the original cover, plastic cover on here that the owner's left on from new, and the same on the footrest there. It's got the original blue plastic on it still, which is nice to see. So you've got car, you've got all sorts of different things you can play with. So for example, if you did want to go to media, you could play music from your phone, we connect your phone up. Of course, got your radio, and you can select which source you want, whether it's DAB, AM, FM, jukebox, Bluetooth, etc. Got voice control there. Got these lovely solid aluminium paddle shifters. Now this lever here controls the menu here. So for example, if we go to here, you can see service interval, inspection, March 22, oil change March 22, because the last time it was done was March 20. Let me just cancel the voice control. What else have we got? Just trying to get back, bear with me. There we go. So you've got, of course, what radio station, phone, nav, etc, etc. It's all there. The dial here, of course, goes into sport. You can hear straight away the exhaust perk up. Sport plus, individual, normal, sport plus. There we go. Give it a little bit of a slight tickle. Beautiful. What a machine. Sounds fantastic. Lights, etc. here. Apologise about that. It's popping off the sticker. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Well, that pretty much concludes our video, folks. I hope you loved this Cayman GTS just as much as I did. or do. And if you do, then please give us a call, drop us an email, and we'd be happy to discuss this car with you. We do, of course, offer nationwide delivery. We offer various finance packages and various warranty options. As standard, the car will come with our 6-month warranty, as you can see here. You can get a finance package direct on the website. Simply click on the car, click on finance, and it will give you a quote instantaneously. You can simply select how much deposit and over what term, and you can choose HP or a balloon finance product. We do offer warranty via WMS that we underwrite to make sure that you're fully covered and protected, and we offer delivery to your door from only £1.50 a mile. And that pretty much sums it up, right, guys? Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found it good, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next video. Good night.